My father, my good friend Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo is going to be coming through as confirmed. I have his drop already. I have Reggie as confirmed. I have Chico, of course, as you see, as confirmed. I have Kacheche Spice Dana, she has confirmed. I have Lydia Jasmine, she has confirmed. I have White Benda, she has confirmed. I have the Dixon, she has confirmed. I have Truth, who is not here, because he's supposed to be coming here. Reggie, who is also coming here in the field, who was coming from Kampala, is confirmed. Then I have my DJs, of course, with them I've worked with him a couple of times, that's confirmed. Jeff DJ is my guy from way back. We were yesterday in Bangunyo. With him from my family Roy Events, I started up an events company. I was with him, Talik. Of course, on the day one, we told about day one, I have Clifford, day one from the Royal family. Of course, I have Natty J, is my good boy. So I have the dance side, I have Roger to represent. He's going to be representing the dancers. Of course, Namukulu Wange, I'm going to be representing our gospel. You have always seen me with my t-shirts God First. So everything I do, so the Vixen and him, they're representing the gospel. Meaning, sure, if you get up where you need it, you get up where you come off because when I'm going to be so, of course, my brother HB is in the gospel world. I mentioned in the region about DJ in the region, I've got the MCs going to the different MC, Nana, Shukran. But I would have been abilities like you mentioned was being a DJ. I have many friends. That's I have many friends. I wish you would meet him and get the beach. I'm very sure they're going to get a platform.
We have Western Media, and of course this one is under the CEO President Mbarara or Western Uganda Bloggers Association. That is a Councillor Amon. Thank you so much. We have NKORE Media Asuman already in the thing. Thank you so much for representing. And of course Kora Business as well. He's also part of this one. TV, that is a song co-promotions at Odari. And of course I've seen a team from Daily Monitor. And of course others. Jabamba Uvirako, Momasao.
Industry, Aquafina. Matelenga zamani mnonga. So you talk about Chavakari kama Kabila Mshazia is all issue. To thank MC Kacheche for this big event. This is not small, and if I'm not mistaken, it must be one of the biggest. And from the start, we can clearly see how the end will be. So the figure we started with, let us be with him, support him until the end. I welcome everyone, and I also thank you for the big support, because this is not a one-man show. Kacheche alone cannot do it alone, can't manage it alone. Even Aquafina cannot support him alone. That's why we work as a team, and we are here working as sisters and brothers. I also thank our fellow sponsors. We need to support our man. Actually, I personally am very grateful for him and for what he has done for this industry. He's a homemade Mbarara boy, and this is something which is rare and which you may not find even in other places. You go to Kampala, you will hardly find Kampala boy, and we have them there, but they are not there. Kampala is for everyone, but Bwana Kacheche has owned Mbarara. How has he owned it? He has come in to support and grow the industry. I hear him talk of upcoming. He has people who can confess who have come through his hands, and he's still bringing more. He's still a young man, and I'm sure in the 10 years to come, you will be the father, you will no longer be the boy. You will be Mbarara father. You've already mentioned few of what Aquafina has offered to you. We are still with you. We are offering more, and everyone feel free, keep refreshed with Aquafina. And we thank you for the love of the brand. Pepsi Aquafina. Thank you very much. Pepsi can say a word as we keep on. Thank you.
Our Kacheche the factory show of the day. Dear artists, fellow sponsors, DJs around, MCs around, the information busters, I mean all the media houses around, and everyone here, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank God today for Kacheche. Like he said, and my colleague said, Kacheche has been with us. And I want you to allow me at this time to thank all these guys, because me, I sell soda and I work with the scholar, which happened to have this beautiful brand. Aquafina is an international brand which is actually in over 35 countries. It is an enriched drinking water. For the guys that have tested it, for the guys that have taken it when they are not sober enough, you can tell. My fellow MCs, DJs around, I cannot mention, the influencers, bloggers, you guys, I don't take you for granted. So for that matter, because you guys you have supported and you have always been with us, we decided to keep supporting you. And I want to promise, guys, Nakache, Nakahango, we shall always be there for you, because you have supported us, and we shall keep supporting you. Otherwise, to keep time, Kacheche over and no. Fellow sponsor, thank you for supporting Kacheche. May God Almighty see us through this. Thank you very much.
Watu wambadenga zamani mnonga Aquafina. Series of Pep Scholar family. Davidson and Chataga Beshindi. When I met him, Angela, before anything, over Aquafina or Pep Scholar is all. Ninga Tero, Nyonko Montu, Nka Davidson is upcoming with cash. So Davidson has supported, besides even the company, with 2 million. Nobody knows Mr. Davidson. Thank you so much for supporting Kacheche. I have another family discount. They have a hotel, they have a hardware, and now of course they have a sports center called Mbarara Sports Arena, and also part of the sponsors we have today. My brother Twaha is not around, Mr. Kashaka Twaha, Konkaya Syndical representative, so he's going to be giving us anything, anyway.
Actually, Kacheche is a part of this country there. We are very proud to be a part of Mbarara. Mbarara Boris Village.
Thank you so much, Discount Hardware, Discount Hotel. Now, next to me, the beautiful lady. It comes from a company where I work for. And this company has supported me like so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Andrew and the whole management crew. Andrew told me, I'm going to give you adverts worth over 30 million. Over 30 million, meaning every hour Cruise FM gives me an advert. Who gives you that? So I think as I speak right now, the biggest sponsor I have on the show is 91.2 Cruise FM, and this as a family. So I'm going to give a chance to my friend, my sister. I've always had her on show calling everyone darling. So maybe give me another name, darling. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you everyone for coming through. My name is Sinya. I work with Cruise FM. I'm part of MC Kacheche's family. He is part of this because Cruise sports talent and nurtures it. MC Kacheche can attest to this. And of course, everyone who listens to Cruise FM knows that November Love is coming through. November is a very special month, and the Mbarara Experience being on the 18th of November, we are coming through in a very big way. For those of you who don't know about November Love, we do this annually. It's to celebrate our listeners, to celebrate everyone who supports Cruise FM. So lots of prizes, of course, giveaways and parties. And yeah, the Mbarara Experience is going to be part of this as well. And of course, expect a night of a lot of fun, yeah? It's going to be an experience filled with music, with entertainment. His friends are coming through. I mean, he's he's mentioned some of the names. He's talked about Eddie Kenzo, he's told you about Ray G, T-Paul is going to be there, Lydia Jasmine, I've already seen his, her, clip telling us she's going to be there. Waiki Benda is coming through. It's going to be an experience which everyone should be part of. And of course, Western Uganda's biggest radio station is a proud headline sponsor. Thank you very much for coming through, and to the rest of the sponsors as well. Thank you very much for supporting MC Kacheche. Thank you.
Telling zamani Mononga, abamuch takumanya language itakujigamba Mononga yitu. Okay, thank you so much Inya Claire. And of course, send my greetings to family crews. I appreciate the support. I'm so humbled. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I still have more sponsors. Before I think I get to my entertainers, I will just have a few words from our sponsors. Ndabyoko Mr. Hamidu, Hotel Triangle. Waiting for him, I think our speaker. Speaker represents Country Cinema, and of course he's going to be speaking. Speaker, you are Country Cinema or Aquafina speaking events. So, but I think this time around you're going to be representing Country Cinema. Say something. My greetings to Mr. Wilson. Thank you so much for the support. As Mbarara boy, we're so humbled for the support. For the event, he has contributed a lot as Country Cinema. Country Cinema, they're just in Mbarara City here, next to Ajib Motors, the building. They showcase movies almost every single day, latest movies.
Bloggers, the influencers where I also belong, I represent so many brands, but this evening I'm only going to talk on behalf of Country Cinema. For starters, Kacheche MC is our brand ambassador for the cinema. The reason we are coming on board to fully support. And most of you have seen his social media accounts, talking about Country Cinema or a few places where he works from. That's the reason, the major reason we are supporting. And not only that, but as Country Cinema, we pledged to support every event. Some of you have seen a few events that we have supported before. And we continue to pledge to support entertainment industry. That's where we belong as a cinema. And on behalf of the cinema as well, we have the biggest theater screen in the country. Those of you who have been to different cinemas in Kampala, we have the biggest theater screen, so please come and watch those movies. And more support, Kacheche, we have a few adverts running on NBS television. So we are going to channel a few adverts to MC Mbarara Boy Experience on behalf of Country Cinema. We have a few adverts running as Country Cinema. So we shall channel those adverts for Mbarara Boy Experience, MC Kacheche. Let's support this boy. He has grown from here. Personally, I've known him for about 10 years. He has brought up the industry. He has supported the industry in so many ways. Please, supporting. Let's support everybody. Kunana has a show as well. Anybody. Rasta Charles has a show in January. Let us support our industry first. We've supported so many artists or MCs or DJs from Kampala. We need to start supporting our own. That's when we shall grow. And then we have one of the biggest movies premiering this very evening at 7:30. It's called Killers of the Flower Moon. It's trending as I talk. And on top of that, every movie that premieres worldwide also premieres in Mbarara. So to see Mamnonga, Mam Wilson, to bring that experience to us, it's not easy. Putting up a theater is very expensive. The biggest theater in the country, right here in Mbarara. That's the reason we need to support our own, and we support our own talent. Thank you so much. Agawa Edwin, speaker from Country Cinema.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, representing Country Cinema. I want to thank Amlex Felix Bureau, of which the same people that run So Tell Us, Mr. Robert Nazaga Bakwili. And he has a Felix Bureau in town. He's the first person that gave me money when I said I have a show to book the venue. 1 million, he gave me 1 million cash. He's the boss here, so tell us. He has a FedEx bureau in town. They also do exchange of money. Here, I will buy 100 tickets for your fans. I have many of them. So for now, I'm going to think, I have these 3 promotions. The other guy is running the event. I don't know if my tall manager is going to talk. These 3 promotions, Derek. Is someone going to speak? Okay, yes. The other guy is running the activations, social media, everything, they're running it. And these 3 promotions. Because the events need to know about with them. The young boys can come in and make me, I would think we should give these boys support. We can make these 3 promotions. They can calculate East African solutions. About Club Domo, Korachi, and these boys can do such events here. I've seen muchachos, they do events. We can have our own muchachos here. We can have our own East African solutions, like the D3s the boys are doing here. All they need is your support, and they're good to go. Thank you so much, D3 Promotions, Derek and Abando Bona. There are so many Mabado, there are so many Schofield, Zax, Webinene, Pichenene, you drive big bikes. So I want to thank President of our bloggers, Amon. Me, my plan was to have a press conference towards the event. I'm telling you, Amon, our bloggers, my idea of doing a press conference was supposed to be doing 1 press conference, that is a week to the event. I didn't have a plan of doing this. Konka, when I was with him, Kacheche to call a press conference and unveiling an event. You initiated the press conference thing in Mbarara here, and there's no way we can pay you as influencers, as media houses, as bloggers, because I think the first biggest press conference into Afunra, I organized it with them. I called them. I remember I was telling Eddie Kenzo the first time I was doing his press conference. But I'm so happy when he came here, because it's hard to get a musician from Kampala Kenzo come down to the press conference and but I'm happy you guys didn't disappoint me as media houses. You took all the cameras here, wait. Are we in Mbarara or in Kampala? Because you be a Dalanga, what cameras, Ninjiba, bloggers, Banjiba, influencer Banji. He told me, man, this is Kampala in Mbarara. So meaning our industry has grown to a level of living Kampala. And of which is because of us. We call one another, I'm on the organizers and never bloggers by Okanamomo. So he told me, I'm going to organize the influencers, media houses, bloggers. We do this press conference. So he's the guy behind most of these influencers and bloggers that came here today. President of our bloggers, so I think I'm going to close to the line of our entertainers. They say something, 1 word, 2 words. Next to me, the Kakoba boy. We both come from Kakoba. And I think the biggest talents in Western Uganda, not just even in Mbarara, they come from Kakoba. Biggest talents in Mbarara, they come from Kakoba. Shukura Ninguku. Tipo Ngoku. Na president wa Brogano wa Kakoba. So, wa president wa Muhire bakamtera karu. So I think I'm going to pass the microphone to the entertainers here. They give us a word, what should we expect from them and stuff. And of course for T-Paul, I've seen him grow, and I'm proud of him. He has done his game. And other than that, to supporting it because he has worked. It's up to be celebrated. Yeah? Tipo, think about it, man. You deserve it. So I'm going to pass the microphone to Tipo to say something about
everyone. Good afternoon. Amazina nabanyata Taremwa Paul. Ninga bita mukumanyanga Tipo. Ninga banda banyata Kakoba Paul. Yes. And I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that has come here. The biggest stakeholders, Bafan Vit, Andre, Inkureva, our fans, thank you very much for coming through. And the DJs, the MCs, the influencers, and radio. Please thank everyone and all the stakeholders of Garabama. Yeah. And our sponsors, Aquafina, our industry is vibrant these days because of such stakeholders. And Kacheche, on this, kuziwe akatara kukatura motota orukunywa kafina na soda yonka muchikorota mujihana again. I can attest this man is a clean man. Hey, it's just to kumadira akwati mokwa kuchikora. Anytime vibe nebedia hajimsia. So thank you very much. And on top of that, on top of my performance, inza kugura ticket ikumi zabafana ba kanye. Yeah, so thank you very much.
For his fans, Natije. Yagamba ninza kugula table for Kacheche show, njigule timu yanje, bije basitama table, na wale enda kusitama table nga Natije. Telling us my Natije. I have many musicians actually and DJs in the Tinas who are buying tickets for their fans. Remember them Mnonga. Tariki by the way. DJ Tarika Katente, Konkoba naza kujiganga. Utakapea area mayembegete. Oh yes sir. No mugige yomba. So Mnonga, my friend, I've worked with Talik for a long time. Jeff DJ, Tony Dons, Clifford from way back in Yaka come 15 years. And we're still friends. Thank you so much, Talik. Yeah? So I'm going to pass the microphone to my other brother, very good, talented. He also comes from Kakoba. And he's here to represent the MC fraternity. I listen, he's supposed to be summer also. They're all representing the MC fraternity. You put the need by MC. Yes, good. Shukran, say something.
Sure, Masibaje. My responsibility to Aquafina, thank you so much. Abo bakatwemera. David Soni bitumu kozire bitumura bizemu. Wena achimanya boka kajya muri abanje. Mwebale Mnonga amazina Shukran MC kuruga TV West of course. Kind of course nenda kubagambira ngo eki show ne yitu. Kushanga kwa MC yafuna ba sponsor kabo ugesha bakabe bastamira abo mwesho mugozi. Kunkabaleho aba MC. Echatanche guri omuzano hatu batakagura ngo namana. Ito twabanza za Egypt twaza kai direct twaza kubore kamana university hii. Na mwene biri 18 mwena ni beta mumu nali performance za MCs agwati na MCs bingi barungi Mnonga konkana bakajonyenga bali bamuchitwa kubasakora kibasa ku basa ku pick no kanchika change ngaba garagabo lights on DJ MC Gaza Bless MC TJ ni bingi Mnonga twakwa
icho nyende bachikusibira very much in fact in the Kakoba went to Kakoba. And another thing, Kacheche is my OB tukashomohotwena in primary. So kunari village to watch take a yigo na nyinasi marahanga. It went a gospel fraternity and Kukunda because you have been there in our shows. Always you attend. Recently you were at the Mark T concert at Desta, and we saw you what it was very good and encouraging. And I want to tell you this, we are ready because you have Leviction, you have us, and that's why you see MC8Bs here, NKORE Media are here and coming from Gospel TVs. That's why you gather all, you don't segregate. So, in the name of Jesus.
Amen. I don't think there's a man Mnonga.
Akina nayowa. Neza kula tiketi zemtwali 10 ozabantu ba.
But much saying there's a man Mnonga Shukran MC. Ya kula tickets 10. Katusokoa no Rogers. Rogers represents the dance family 24/7. He has been my good friend actually for a long time. Hot Steps. These guys represented Western Uganda. They became the best dancers in Uganda, representing from Western Uganda. No pay, no gain. So next time, tata yako gani yake na kogera liba lero. Agene abena muyo manga ngabayogera chiro gamba chiri agabechi. Katina njagala byongere lero. He's my good friend, he's my brother. I've worked with him waimidi agenda kutuke liwo guru. Okay, thank you so much. Wewe ni Mnonga. Niza kutandika necha MC TJ. TJ na abuzali niza kushoya yari to kama that day was surprising along share I know Mashino nda kubaina kichibije munonga ne basta kudemo muri abari yawo fune mukome mbanjoro. Thank you so much. Then ngaka kansala Harmonia na gamba cha ticketing. Tickets we are planning to, I'm going to say to the team to level how best we can have the online ticketing. We shall be giving you details about online ticketing. We're going to sit down as a team, then we'll discuss how to do that. Then we have a team that is moving around for the tables. Personally, I'll be also on that team moving around because me, I have many friends I'm in the tables. Kacheche. We have a billboard, I think is somewhere. Phone, give it to me, I show them. We shall be, whenever you buy a table, write your name, take a picture with you. Just have a picture there. So I'm going to be doing that table campaign myself. I'll move around. I have many friends in this industry, but businessmen, entertainers. So you can as well reach me out. Yeah, that is it. At first I was doing them for free. Actually, I think I worked for almost a year in corruption. I was never paid by anyone. Sometimes they would even chase you away. They knew it never campaign one quarter. I would come like this upcoming Zigishan, they look at my chica speed, I run, making sure that I catch that take. But of course, never to meet bar, it was hard to believe in us. It took long for most of these stakeholders here in Mabarara, our core events, to believe that you can have an MC. I remember, I will give an example. There's a company I went to work for in Kampala. They had auditions. But when they said I'm an MC from Mbarara, but when they gave me a microphone to show them what I can do, the boss said, no way, this boy is not from Mbarara. There's no Ankole who can do an MC like you're doing. So it kept changing. I started about the price came raising as I was also improving my game. As then, of course, the rest is history right now. I think challenges are reduced, and I also still say my fellow MCs, I'm happy for them. They have not faced challenges I faced. They have found an industry that is a bit structured. And I beg you, let's keep it moving high. Let's not put the industry down. It will be bad for me what I've worked for national can't touch the electrical. I want to see these MCs being paid good money. Of course, price on the money according how you're branding yourself. Today, if someone is paying me money, he's not paying Kacheche 1 million or 2 million because I'm the best, but he's paying the brand Kacheche. You get? You find the money they give me, they sell the money they give someone else, name A or K. But because of the brand you build for yourself, I've seen many friends go off over drugs. Me, those who know me, those who see me, actually I had a challenge with my father. He didn't want me to be an MC or be entertainer. There is even a time, I think I performed Chini Hero with Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo called me. By that time I was a kid. Every time they would come to Mbarara, they would call me like, Kadogo to get a show. So the time they called me, he had a show for Chini Hero. I went and performed with them, Stamina. It was me, Eddie Kenzo, Deep Sizzy. They called me on stage to perform with them, dance Stamina. I went on stage, I danced, and they took pictures. The next day, I was on a headline with Eddie Kenzo. Zay wanjiabe there. Yanderese miyanyitomuka. Yambuza, of course, the friends who are here. Yambuza no hope. Nke hakana jamzei tinyo. I'm not the one who no dijo. Yanjano jando musuru okutiwe. Oyo no kora cha stage. So I think a few months yan stamsans yambuza. Noza kusharo chitu chimwe. Do you want to study? Ninga noenda kuzomu. Entertainment because even our kids na bisho muzabando ko mutana okubani banjira mu mutana osereba na mjabze nyina kushoma za kumanshome ndiko anemwe jinkore y'ukore. His challenge was akana amanyambu wazo mbya MC ningo bya entertainment waza kubana onyesha ai waza kubana no kwana munonga no nyamunonga marwa. Actually is a time where he used to send people to me where inakuwa sindi kama mtu mpega song. Someone comes to me and tells me, of course, those people who know me, when you come and ask me in a bar, what can I give you? Or as I say, I want water or Red Bull. So he has teased me with his friends But he discovered I don't drink, I don't smoke, and immediately when I graduated from the university, yeah, and now that you've graduated, you can go do your things. But please, don't smoke, don't drink alcohol. And have a cousin, now, think smoking. And now our cousin and our sister, I don't. So basically, when you want to become Kacheche, Ninga, any other big artist, you don't need to smoke, you don't need to drink a lot of alcohol or use any drugs. Yes, I know sometimes some of them they say, why not smoking or in the kunya? Because I've worked with my friends in Kampala, the Cats, the Esco. But one was that stage, but me, I think I'm now used to it. I will take my Aquafina water or take any energy drink, I'll go on stage, the rest will be history. So you don't need to smoke or drink ninga or to become who you want to be. I am a friend of Eddie Kenzo, international artist. Eddie Kenzo does smoking and you've seen him perform on stage. So you can as well be Eddie Kenzo, you can be Kacheche, you can be Reggie, you can be Tipo. Yeah? So basically, you don't need to smoke anything to be who you want to be. Yeah. And what took me long to do an event, as has been saying, most of my friends doing events. Me, I was supposed to do an event before lockdown. I was planning an event before lockdown, but when lockdown came in, of course, proposing, the whole industry was at the stake. So I decided to pause a bit. Then after lockdown, of course, I was waiting for the industry to stabilize again, because we had so many ups and downs. But now the industry has stabilized. Me, I was even planning to do next year, but because I have many good friends, they told me no. How are you sure that next year is there? Let's start now, bro. I've told you I've had musicians, I've had DJs. Let's do a show this year. And when I sat down with my team, we decided to have the show this year. And of course, like I've said on my platforms, it's been a public demand. We need a show for you. When these brothers have been doing shows, I would meet people over there, they tell me, man, what are this show, bro? When are you do the show? And finally, you guys have been with the show.